this is your very spacious living room. Have a look at this very big kitchen. This is one of the biggest. Is your bedroom. You can see the space. Again, hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a sample flat tour of 4 BHK of Sonam Opulence by Sonam. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. Here is the main road. You can have a look at the neighborhood. The left takes you directly to Mira Road railway station and the right takes you to highway. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Now let's go ahead. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.77 acres with 2 basement, ground plus 26 floors with a configuration of 3 and 4 BHK plus Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus world-class amenities including a 3,500 square feet gym, turf, kids play area, swimming pool and many more. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in Gold Nest, right opposite to Jain Bungalow, with Mira Road railway station at a distance of just 2 kilometers, metro at walking just 5 minutes, Western Express highway at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 500 meters. Now let's go check the sample flat. Now let's go check out this 4 BHK terrace flat with 2,800 square feet. Have a look at this very amazing, very big terrace. So this terrace is attached to all your rooms. You can have a look. Now let's enter our living room. So this is your very spacious living room. Have a look at it. Oh my God. With dual ceiling height. Check the height. So you're going to get this flat as it is. Marble flooring in the living room. You can easily host a 40 to 50 people's party in this living room itself. This is your dining space. Such a big dining space. Easily 8 to 10 seater of dining table can fit over here. Now check the entrance. This is the foyer space. Check out the foyer space. And now we are entering the kitchen. So have a look at this very big kitchen. This is one of the biggest kitchen in Mira Bhayandar you will get by any builder. Okay. And you're going to get this kitchen as it is. So this is a modular kitchen. As you can see, chimney. You're going to get shelves over here. 2 side parallel cabinets. Check the dry space. The dry area itself is so big. And the best part is that you are going to be getting servant room attached to your dry area. Go check out the servant room. And we also get an washroom in the servant room. So your servant won't be using your washroom. They'll have their separate washroom. So again, you're going to get marble floors. Let me tell you, you're going to get this flat as it is shown in the video. This is the actual flat. Moving ahead, this is your common washroom. Have a look at the common washroom. Again, with marbles attached and high-end fittings as well. Now this is your first bedroom. Check the foyer space in this bedroom. Again, for privacy. You can also design your running wardrobe in this wall. You can see a full length wall. So you can easily have your running wardrobe over here. Moving ahead, this is your master bedroom. Again, you will get this with vitrified tiles. This is your attached washroom. Have a look at your attached washroom. Again with high-end fittings and anti-skid tiles. So now you get half French window attached to your bedroom. You can have a look with a very nice view and your balcony as well. Now let's go check out the other rooms. Going ahead, again have a look at this living room. And this is your bedroom number 2. Again, a very good foyer space. You can easily have your running wardrobe over here as well, guys. And this is again your master bedroom. Have the look at the space. Easily after placing a king size bed, there's still so much walkable space in this room. So the flat is quite spacious. Again, you get half French window attached with open view. And this is your attached washroom, again with high-end fittings. Check the space in the washroom. Now let's go check our bedroom number 3. Your VR, again this foyer space. The highlight of all the room is that you're getting good amount of foyer space to have your running wardrobe. And you will be getting wooden flooring attached in this room. So as I'm mentioning again, this is the actual flat. So you're going to get it as it is. This is your bedroom. You can see the space. Again, half French window attached. This is the biggest bedroom of this entire house. So have a look. You also get the balcony attached. So what you can do is you can change this French window and directly enter your balcony as well. So you can do the interior according to you. Now this is your attached washroom. Just check the size of the washroom. A whole wall dedicated to your wash basin area. You can easily place a bathtub in this washroom. It's that big. Moving ahead to our last bedroom now. Before showing you my last bedroom, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat videos, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes and 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit with us today. Now come, let's check the last bedroom. Again, master bedroom. Check the space. Again, you get half French window attached, which directly takes you to your balcony. And this is your attached washroom. Again, quite spacious attached washroom. A whole wall dedicated to your wash basin area. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Sonam Opulence by Sonam Builders. To get more information about this project, don't forget to check the comment section, and to know about more such amazing properties, please check the icon button. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.